So hey everyone, we are back in another video where today we are going on to Movie Star Planet because I really want to have some fun, and I'll be back when I'm on the site. So yeah, I'll be back. Bye. So as you can see, guys, we are spinning the wheel for a really good go, and that was it. Okay, but at least we have this, right? Yeah, so it's just been really annoying. That's it. So guys, leave in the comments below if you see that comment, but I will everything. Please leave in the comment below if that is like true. So yeah. Oh, fine then. In these days, you can do what you want. So hi. That's good. Hi, Spain. It's okay. No. Okay. Is that a word? Is it a word? Duh. Yeah. Doors. So let's open this. There we go. And now we have fame and fortune. Let's go to games. Let's do. I'm usually good at quiz. Usually. Tennis. I didn't even get a go. Titanic. Yes. It was you. Okay. Right, what's the next game then? Let's do it again. Waiting for a place. What's it? USA. Kate Moss. Definitely Kate Moss. Heady come, Kate Moss. Yeah, I got one. Mega Man. Tiny Toon. Captain. The Captain. You're from Canada. Yeah, flower. He was 52. You. So guys, if you do like this game, please leave a big fat thumbs up, and if you did enjoy, you know what I'm going to say, give me some views and subscribers. Bye. I'll be back on, what should I be back on? Twisted Murder on Roblox next time. So I'll see you on Twisted Murder on Roblox next time. Yeah, so goodbye. Ooh, sorry.